Are you new to Google Ads? In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and some important things to take into account. The easiest way to create an account is to go straight to ads.google.com. If you're not happy with the auto-selected language, you can scroll down to change your language and location. It's important to note that if you see a promotional text like this, your billing country has to match that country in order for your account to be eligible. There's also some other requirements new advertisers easily overlook, so double check the details. So with that in mind, click on Start Now, log into your email if prompted, and open a new account. And this is what it looks like when you first sign into your new account. Now, Google does like to experiment with sign-up flows and interface, but at its core, it'll always be like this. A new account will try to take you through a campaign setup immediately, but there's an easily overlooked option underneath. Switch to expert mode. Now, don't be intimidated that you're not a professional marketer or an expert. Expert mode simply unlocks regular Google Ads features such as different campaign types and targeting methods. The second reason you want to go straight into expert mode, even though you could still do it later, is so you can explore your account before setting up your first campaign. In the smart mode sign-up flow, you have to create a campaign and enter your payment details before you can actually enter your account. With expert mode, you can explore your account first, so we're going to ignore these campaign options for now and click on create an account without a campaign. So the next step is to submit your billing country, time zone, etc. Now, even though it says here you can change these settings later, so choose carefully. A billing country actually can be changed, but you need to contact support and create a new billing profile. Time zone and currency cannot be changed ever. You will need to create a new account if you're not happy with your choices. And then we just submit and go into our account. Congrats, you're all done. Explore your account. So now there's a lot to explore. When creating a new campaign, it's not just smart campaigns, but you have all campaign types and other tools at your disposal. Since this is just a video to explain how to sign up for Google Ads, I won't go into these features in detail in this video, but if you want to learn more about Google Ads, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. One last tip is to change your account name under Preferences. And for now, thank you for watching, good luck with your account, and have a great day.